I want to discuss this part of this behavior like Sadacharya. Just like few days back, Dwarkadis Prabhu beautifully make the triangle of Siddhanta, Sadhana, and Sadachara. The three things he mentioned. The Siddhanta, the knowing the philosophy, Tattva Gyan, the beautiful. Everyone, mostly in the devotional service, everyone like to hear and the Siddhanta, reading the Bhagavad Gita book, Srimad Bhagavatam. Everyone is eager for the Siddhanta. And we also see the devotee also, they learn the Siddhanta, knows the Siddhanta, and practice the sadhana. Here in our temple, Sri Radha Gopinath temple, you can find there is the sadhana committee. They observing, everyone should, in the resident devotee, they should do their proper sadhana. That they make arrangement. Every possible arrangement they are making so that every devotees in the resident devotees in the congregation, they come together and focus on their sadhana. They know the philosophy, Tattva Gyan, now they are focusing on sadhana. But the Sadachara part is remaining. The Sadachara part is, I understood, nobody going to tell you this Sadachara part. Prabhu, you should do like this. Once or twice they will inform you. Not like Tattva Gyan and Sadhana. Sadhana just like every day we have to push, every day, every month the Sadhana committee reminding us. But Sadachara part is we have to remind ourselves. We have to do this Sadachara. The Sadachara part, how we should, our behavior is description here. The simplicity is shown by this, the 4th chapter, the end verse, and begin with the 5th chapter. So, as soon as Narad Muni arrived, Vyasdev wholeheartedly welcomed Narad Muni, offered the seed, Adham the Padyam, offered Achmaniyam, and speak the sweet word. This is the simple thing we have to do it. We don't have to do the most philosophical discussion, philosophical and so many complicated things. This simple thing needed to be do. This simple thing. And we can find out this by this simple process, by the simple behavior of the Vaishnava can attract the mercy of the spiritual master and attract the mercy of the Krishna. By this simple behavior, by following the simple process of Sadachara in the life, they able to attract the mercy of the whole the parampara system, all the acharyas' mercy, because just follow the system. And if one doesn't follow in the material world, not especially devotee, but we can find in the material world, people, if doesn't follow simple process, is Sadachar part, they land in trouble. If you devotional life, if you follow simple process, we can attract and get the mercy of the spiritual master, Vaishnavas and Krishna and other places. If we don't follow the simple process, not respecting anyone, even the site, it is said, when you go to the tree for plucking the mangoes, you're climbing on the tree. What do we do? In our childhood, I remember when our childhood, when we climb to the mango tree, plucking the mango, or just playing mode, the playful mode, climbing on the tree and jumping. But one thing was common that time, right now I don't know, but that time that common thing was when you about to climb, you just just root and the trees, just respect the trees. Behind the philosophy, that was not known to me, not the children. But simple process was followed by the villager, just touch the tree and climb, and after coming down, again touch the tree. Respectful. Give the respect to the tree. This is the culture followed by long back. If we want to give the respect the tree, so we should respect everyone, every living entities, even the train, even the journey. If we walking in a train and our legs touches someone's body, immediately just respect it. That's the culture.